Hey guys, this is Corey with Custom RV in Amarillo, Texas, and today we are looking at an all-new floor plan from the Forest River Arctic Wolf family of fifth wheels. This is also our first 2024 unit of the year. What we're looking at today is the 2024 Arctic Wolf Model 27 SGS. This is a clone of the very popular Cougar half-ton 27 SGS, and it's going to come in at 7,760 pounds empty, and is going to be 29 feet 11 inches in overall length. Plus, it's going to come in at about $10,000 less than the Cougar, with more features than the comparable Cougar that are standard. So this is a rear living floor plan with dual opposing slides, great little kitchen space, and a good living area, and bedroom and bathroom as well. So we're going to do an interior and exterior walk around video tour. We'll take a look at all the changes. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. Let's get started. All right guys, so we're on the inside of the 27 SGS from Arctic Wolf. And as you can see here, you have a very nice open and spacious floor plan because of these dual opposing slide outs. You can see you've got a great amount of LED accent lights above the slide outs, and also in this peninsula over here. Some of the new things as we go around, you can see you've got the zebra shades, which that's not new, but they still have them. You've got more interior lighting than previous year model Arctic Wolves. So once I get some of their normal floor plans in here, you'll be able to see the difference. Starting over here in your door side slide out, you've got great window coverage on the door side and the rear side of the trailer, including that window in the entry door. That is thin shade ready, by the way. A little bit of carpet in the slide outs. They didn't change that for 2024. I was hoping they would, but they didn't. So a new feature, you've got a 2-person dinette area with 2 freestanding chairs. Plus you have this neat little ottoman or bench seating area. And we'll take a look at the storage in that once we open up all the rest of the storage here. Over here in your entertainment center, you've got a spot for a TV. TVs are optional. I still am not bringing those in until they start to lower the prices of their TVs a little bit. You've also got your 5200 BTU electric space heater fireplace down there as well. And then a new feature for 2024 is they went away from just USB ports. You've got USB-A and USB-C ports. So all you people with iPhones, you can now use that lightning cable that comes with your new iPhones and still be able to charge it with the USB ports. And those are 12 volt, by the way. If we take a seat here at the rear chairs, you can see that you have a decent view of the entertainment center. You do have to turn just a little bit, not bad though, but these are free floating chairs. No heat vents in the floor. You also have a new floor pattern this year. I really like it. Now, speaking of those chairs, these are 2 individual recliners, which are very hard to come by in the RV industry anymore. You have dual side stands on both sides. And if we look over here, you can see you've got householding USB outlets right there. Lots of window coverage again. I just have those because I actually can turn the ACs on here today, so it's nice and cool in here. You also have a tri-fold sleeper sofa right here. That'll turn out into a bed, as you can see in the video that pops up. And you can sleep up to 2 in this camper. You do have a ceiling fan up top, dual AC runs. You also have a standard 15,000 BTU GE air conditioner. They've gone away from the Colemans this year, and it is pretty quiet compared to the Coleman. Coleman was pretty quiet as well. Here's your kitchen. Now we'll take a look at this in a little more detail in just a minute, but I did kind of want to give you a nice little preview of that. Right over here, you do have new for 2024 that comes standard with the central vac. Now that doesn't come with the hoses, it is just an electric dust pan, but I still like to see that. You can buy the hoses from the central vacuum manufacturer. Another thing here, you do have household USB outlets right here. And in case I forget to mention it as well, you do have them on the face of that Peninsula. New slide out fascia and Peninsula colors. I really like it with their cabinets that they used for this year. Motion sensor light on the steps, no carpet on the steps. And then over here, you're gonna have your control panels. So you've got your slide out and awning controls, lighting controls, your tank monitoring panel, water pump, and you can Bluetooth this to your phone. This is a 12-volt receptacle for if you decide to get the security camera system as an aftermarket thing. You've also got your tankless water heater controls, your thermostat for your main air conditioner. This is your Bluetooth stereo controls, so that'll control the interior and exterior speakers. And then this guy right here is your voltage monitor. So what that does is it's basically like a gas gauge for your battery. And then this would be your view from the steps as you come down from the upper deck. So real quick, let's go ahead and let me open up all this kitchen space, because for a under 30-foot fifth wheel, this has a really decent amount of kitchen space. So starting off with the storage and the ottoman, you can see it's nice and deep and it's padded, so it's a good spot for some extra items. You have a nice little cubby hole down there. This side, you also have a little one there as well. If we go up top here, you can see you've got good storage here. Now, of course, the chairs are in the way, preventing me from getting you a really good look at this. And I wish these had strut supports on them as well, but that's an easy thing you could always change or add. Now over here, starting in the kitchen proper, you've got your 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt DC compressor fridge. So great space there. And this will run off of solar panels or your pickup or shore power or just the battery if you don't have solar panels. Great storage space up there. Again, I would put a couple of struts on there to hold that up. Standard microwave over here, hood range with a light and a fan, 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover. Wish they would put a backsplash here and here. That would make cleaning that a lot easier. Oven down below in case you want to do some baking. Plus you've got a nice pots and pans drawer right there. Little bit of storage back here. Same thing over here. Good wastebasket space right there. 3 full extension plywood box ball bearing drawer guided drawers. This top one has the silverware divider, new cabinet pulls. You do have the single bowl sink with the high-rise spring-loaded sprayer faucet. Good countertop space. This is all pressed membrane thermofoil style countertops. You've got household and USB outlets right there. And then this will be the bulk of your kitchen pantry space and or, you know, just storage space in general. It's nice and deep. It probably goes just about to my elbow, and it goes all the way across. Plus you've got a little bit of space up top if you did want to put some stuff up there. And then behind where the TV would go, you've got a little bit of extra space there as well. So okay guys, that's going to wrap it up for the kitchen space. Let's go ahead now and we'll take a look at the bathroom and bedroom. Okay guys, so stepping into the bathroom, you've got a 30 by 36 inch deep shower. You can be upwards of 6'6" and still shower in here comfortably. Nice big max air vent fan. New for 2024, they added these coat hooks or towel hooks right there. You also get the Oxygenics shower head here. This is a great shower head. I have that in my personal trailer. And then you have a removable clothes rod right there for hanging towels and, you know, swimsuits and stuff. Slow close shower door. Plenty of room around this porcelain foot flush lever toilet. You've got a huge amount of linen cabinet space. This is above your hanging closet space in the bedroom. Medicine cabinet there. You get to look at my goofy face. Motion sensor light, GFI protected outlet, nice big sink and countertop space. And then down below here, you've got some plumbing access and a spot for a trash can. Now, as we go up into the bedroom, this is another one of the areas that got the most changes. So you still have a 60 by 80 true queen bed, drawers on both sides. These cabinets here are a little bit shallower than what they were last year. That's actually a little inverter that will run a CPAP machine off of the battery. You also have household outlets there. Let me know in the comments below, would you prefer to see another one of those inverters over here instead of USB A and C ports? Another drawer here, more cabinet space, and then you've got a new shelf cabinet space that goes all the way across. This one was optioned with the second air conditioner. Plus you've got your thermostat and your lighting controls there. Nice big closet space here with some shoe storage down below. Heat duct in the cabinet. And then in here you have kind of more shoe storage and good extra storage underneath there as well. So let me know what you think about this. Let's go ahead now and we will close it up into road mode and take a look at that before we go look at the outside features. Okay guys, so in road mode, you're not getting to much of anything. You do have to turn those chairs, as you can see right there, but like I said, you're not getting to much of anything because of the dual opposing slide outs and the Peninsula. Now you can get up to the bedroom and the bathroom, but if you need to get to the kitchen or the refrigerator, you'll definitely need to put both slide outs out. So I'm gonna say this one is best used at a destination. All right guys, so we're on the outside of this 2024 Arctic Wolf Model 27 SGS. So first big change right off the bat, you've got white colored fiberglass instead of gray like they were using last year. Same similar decals, touched up just a hair, but overall the look is pretty similar except for the white fiberglass. You have a painted fiberglass front cap with LED docking lights, your Rhino box, pin box right here, and then, oh, apparently I just whacked my head on the corner of that cap. That didn't feel good. But you've got your spare tire and battery box right there. Your battery disconnect switch is that red knob right there. 4-point automatic leveling is standard on these, which is very nice. A lot of these smaller fifth wheels either don't have it or it's an expensive option. You've got a nice power awning with LED light strips, outside speakers. You've also got two 20-pound propane tanks, one on each side. You do have a leash latch here. Good pass-through storage, aluminum frame construction, double-sided welded with cable and power right there. You run them through here and put it if you want an outside TV. They are doing the larger entry assist handle that comes way down here. Helps a lot, especially if you're older and have bad knees or hips. Triple step MORryde step above steps. You are prepped for the left side, right side, reverse, and door security camera system from Furrion. So no more standard cameras. Great looking aluminum wheels and tires. Again, you do have the 4-point electric leveling, as you can see there. You are prepped for the Solera slide-awning toppers. Propane quick connect right here. And this is one of the very few options we put on this. You do have the rear travel rack that's rated at 250 pounds. You also are prepped for the Lippert on-the-go ladder system, as well as the rear vision camera, all LED tail and marker lights as well. Right here is going to be your 50 amp service, and that comes with the trailer, the cord does. tankless on-demand water heater right here. Plus you've got your furnace and easy convenience light. Freshwater, city water, black tank flush, cable power, or cable and satellite hookups, excuse me. Plus your outside shower are right there. And then you've got your gray and black tank dumps here. Notice how that's so tucked up. Plus you don't see the actual gate valves. They're in the fully enclosed and heated underbelly. So that is forced air heated from the furnace. And you can see that it is fully enclosed and heated, which is very nice. It's going to give you some 4-season use out of this. Lastly, on this side of the pass-through storage, you do have your automatic leveling controls right there, plus motion sensor lights in there too. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for the 2024. I'm still getting used to saying that. It's hard to believe these are already out. Arctic Wolf Model 27 SGS. If you're interested in this in this fifth wheel, and you would like pricing and availability, you can leave that down in the comment section down below, or you can give us a call at 806-335-2336, or you can shoot us an email at contact@custom-rv.com. Also, please leave us any feedback, questions, or comments on this trailer. That way we can pass it on to the manufacturer. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you could do me a huge favor, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe and notification bell down below. That'll help you stay up to date with all of our latest videos and content coming out for you. And I would love to be able to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So any help with that, I would greatly appreciate it. That's a personal goal of mine. Remember, at Custom RV, we don't do any of those pesky hidden dealer fees, and we know that RVs are made for women, so men can go camping. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. We thank you very much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed, and have a wonderful rest of your day.